Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a tutorial video. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free Apple products from, like, the technology company Apple. So basically, firstly what you're going to do, head to your browser. I'll be using Google today. You're going to want to type in Apple, and then click the first link that pops up. And I know that a lot of you might want to buy it. See, this is all the stuff I have in here. I'm just going to remove it just for the sake of this tutorial. So let me quickly remove all the items. Is there a quick remove or not? Okay, just one second guys. Just remove them all. So this is going to be very easy. Anyone can do this. I'm not sure if you can do this on mobile. I think you might require a PC or computer to do this, otherwise it will not work. Because you're going to need to access some kind of scripting, not software, but yeah, you're going to need to access some kind of coding thing. So I'm going to remove all of this real quick while we wait. By the way, guys, you could keep an eye on the bomb. I promise you I will not edit any of this video out. It's all the bomb. Okay, just wait for it to get removed. And in the meantime, while waiting, please do go and check out my other videos, the Rainbow Six Siege gaming videos. Okay, well, anyway, that's it, it's empty. So, you know how all these new iPhone, like the iPhone XS, XR is out? Not a lot of people can afford them because it's really expensive. So I'm just going to show you guys how to get it. So for example, I know a lot of people would love the XS. So here's a quick view of what it is. It's a good phone, I guess. It's very big. Okay, not a lot of people afford it. So what you're gonna do is head to anything you could get: an iMac, iPad, iPhone, MacBook, iWatch, TV, or Apple TV, something like that. You could get music, I guess. You can get some accessories. So anyway, I'm gonna head to the iPhone XS. What you're gonna do you have a phone to trade in? Just click no. Get the biggest size, any colors you want. I really love space gray. I'm gonna choose space gray with 512 gigabytes, of course, because if it's free, why not? Okay, I'm gonna get Apple Care as well. Care because I can. 2 years of technical support and coverage if anything breaks. That's amazing. So I'll get one iPhone XS. Yeah, why not? I should get AirPods. Should I get AirPods? Yeah, I should get AirPods. Yeah, why not? I mean, yeah, also I could get a case. Look, the red one looks nice. Yeah, I'll get the leather case. That actually looks really good. Okay, what else? I could get iPhone XS Smart Battery Max. I'm getting that 100%. Yes, I'm getting that. What else? What else should I get? What else should I get? Because I can. Okay, I'll get this wireless charger. What else? Okay, nothing, I guess. No more accessories. Okay, ooh, I've really always wanted a MacBook so I could carry around with me. Ooh, which one? Of course, 15-inch. Which one? This one because it's more expensive. Okay. Just get the most expensive option, guys. It really doesn't matter. It's free, so yeah. Here. Okay, add to bag. Okay, Apple Care. Yeah, might as well add these dongles. Yeah, why not? Ooh, this is amazing. It's expensive. Whoa, it actually is £1,200 or dollars if you live in America or somewhere. Okay, the most expensive things. Okay, well guys, just for the sake of this tutorial, because I do not want to make this video any longer, unless you want to skip forward where I will start, I'll just add one iMac Pro because I want to have one because I just want to buy it in one go. What's this? Mac Pro? I've never heard of this. What? Is this? I really want to get this. What is this? Whoa, this is amazing. Wait, what even is this? It's a computer. Yeah, okay. Yeah, pick it up, free pack of course. Get Wi-Fi so I can have a ping around my house. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm gonna get all. Now, actually, real quick, guys, I'm getting music accessory, and I'll be good. Anything? Yeah. I'll get the sample, and then I'll also get a. Where is it? A gift card. Yes, I want a gift card. So I could give it to my friends, so I can actually go buy things with it. Unless it doesn't let me. Yeah, what I'm gonna buy. Yes, I'm gonna add to bag £100 gift cards. Yes, I want another card and another one. Okay, here. The quantity of I want 50. So that's a lot of gift cards. Okay. So let's see the total cost. Wait there. Oh, okay, I'll just take 10. Just take 10 for now. Oh wait, we're even allowed 10. Should you, right? Anyway, I'll just get that while that's loading. Okay, so the total cost, it's gonna only take 5. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I guess I'll have to just buy it again. And I don't mind this postcode. It's obviously not real. I generated it online. I can show you guys how to do that. Just a second. Okay, so my total cost 20,000. Okay, so this is where it starts. What you're going to want to do is, see, you're going to have to highlight this, highlight the £sign as well, because you might have to change it if you live in a different country, and then click Ctrl+Shift+I or inspect, and then when you get this little thing should open up. See the thing that's highlighted in blue? As soon as you open it, you're going to right click it and click edit text. Now you see where it highlighted this text. You're going to want to click after the final digit and just delete it. Now you might want to change the symbol. It depends on where you live. And we're going to type in after that is 0.00. Then you enter. See, the cost went instantly to £0. Then also, you're going to want to highlight this, inspect this as well, or Ctrl+Shift+I, edit text, delete the final digit, from the final digit, add in the money sign, pounds, dollars, whatever, then type in 0.00 or 0.00, however you want to say it. So, and then also, delete this subtotal, because you have to delete it, otherwise you're still going to have to end up having to pay for it. 0.00. Also, as I said, you probably cannot do this on mobile or tablets. I'm not 100% sure, so if you can, just you guys try it. Okay, so all of these things I'll get for free. I don't know when, but yeah. Then you click checkout, and I guess I'll wait. Again, you continue as guest, or you could sign in. I recommend checking out as guests, so you don't end up paying for your products. And then you might have to you can either pick it up or have it delivered. I recommend it being delivered because it's kind of safer, and also you might have to type in your postcode. So what you're going to do is you can head over to a new browser or like new page. Then you could type in postcode generator. You could type in a US postcode generator or UK postcode generator. I just use this, and you just click create random postcode. Just copy or Control+C, and then you just Control+V or right click paste. Then you apply it, and it should work. You see, it accepted the thing. This should work, guys. However, what you're gonna want to do next is go on and inspect this. Okay, once you inspect this, you won't have to inspect anything else. If you click continue to shipping address, it might show the cost summary, total summary. Just ignore that, guys, because that is completely fake. Okay, hey guys, this should work. See, £0. You're gonna get all your products exactly for free. What you wanna do is continue to shipping address, and you'll be done, and you'll get your products for free. You're just gonna have to type in your address and everything, and you'll be good. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it works. Please do like, subscribe, and please do check out my other YouTube channels. Thank you guys. I mean videos. Oh, I said YouTube channel, I meant videos guys. Anyway guys, see you in another video.